Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look for spring and also for Easter. So if you'd like to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have already done one eye to see where I want it to go, and I've also done my brows. They're a little bit too light for me. I used the Primark 3-in-1 brow pencil and the Essence Make Me Brow gel. And to start the eyeshadow look, I'm going to prime the lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C6. And I'm also taking it on my under eye area. This gives it a very blank canvas, and for eyeshadow I'm going to use two palettes. This is the Revolution Life on the Dance Floor Sparklers palette, but from this palette I'm only going to use the white to set the concealer, and then I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to take the white shadow to set the concealer because I want all of the colors to blend very easily. By having this blank canvas, the colors will also be more bright. Okay, so to start my transition, I'm going to use this shade on the NYX palette, and I'm starting by taking a very fluffy brush and a very small amount of shadow. And I'm going to start with the upper part of my lid. Just adding the color little by little, always blending it. And then little bit at a time, I'm starting to bring the color onto my crease. Now, with a more precise blending brush, I'm going to start with the bright pink on this palette, and I'm adding it to the crease and then slowly onto my lid. When everything is more blended, you can do like I did and just add that punch of bright pink on the lid, but always keep blending it. Okay, so now I'm going to move to my lower lash line, and I'm taking a very small blending brush and this kind of lilac color. And I'm going to blend this all over the lower lash line. And then close to my outer corner, I am going to take a little bit of this dark purple, really close to the root of the lashes. For that pop of blue on my inner corner, I used a very small kind of pencil brush, and I took this very light turquoise blue onto the inner corner and a little bit on the lower lash line and also on top. Then just with the tip of the brush, I took a little bit of this darker color, really on the corner. Now, to brighten up the eye, I took the Soft X highlighter palette and I used the pink. Now on the inner corner, I'm just taking a very small bit on top of the blue, just to give it a little bit of a shimmer. And with my finger, I took that pink highlight to highlight the brow bone and just a small bit on the inner third of the lid. Okay, so for eyeshadow, that is basically it. And now I'm going to take a black pencil on my waterline. This is the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. If you prefer, I think that you can use a white liner on your waterline. I just don't like to see myself with that. And for this winged liner, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Vivid Violet. Going to add a little bit more in this part to make it more even. The eyeliner is mostly even. It's a little bit hard to do it with hooded eyes. If you'd like to see a tutorial on that, give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're liking it so far, then consider subscribing. Okay, so now for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise Static on both the upper lashes and the bottom ones. Adding a little bit more blue to this side. I think it was not very even. And then again, just a tiny bit of that highlighter. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm just going to quickly do my foundation, concealer and powder. I'm going to use the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation. I'm going to use again the Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm also going to use the Revolution Pro Pressed Finishing Powder. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that is my base done, and I'm now going to bronze with the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer. Looks like this. They have something very similar in the new summer collection. This is really good. For blush, I am taking the I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts. This is in Bursting with Love. That is this really pretty blush. I'm just mixing the 3 shades together. And for highlighter, I want to use again the pink in the Soft palette. Now, because the eyes are very colorful, I want to add something a little bit more subtle to the lips. So I'm going to use the Beauty Glazed matte liquid lipstick mini from the set, and I am taking this shade Candy K that is kind of a pinky nude. And to set this makeup, I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect. Okay, so this is the look complete. I honestly am not used to seeing me with such a nude lip, but I am loving it. And let me give you a close-up of the eyes. So this is what the eyes look like. It's very bright and colorful, and I think it's very Easter spring. And also this is what the lipstick looks like. And if this lipstick is too nude for your liking, and with this kind of eye look, I guess you can also wear it with a bright pink like this. I think it would be very cool. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!